Hey there, guys. Welcome to our new focus this week, which is a book about kindness, about believing in yourself, and about friendship. The title of this book is called The Boy, the Mole, the Fox, and the Horse. The author is Charlie Mackesy. Okay, here we have the title page, and this book is dedicated to my lovely mom and wonderful boy, Dill. We're not going to read the author's message, but we are going to start where the boy says hello to the mole, a tiny little speck of an animal. Hello. I'm so small, said the mole. Yes, said the boy, but you make a huge difference. What do you want to be when you grow up? Kind, said the boy. What do you think success is? Asked the boy. To love, said the mole. Well, hello. Do you have a favorite saying? Asked the boy. Yes, said the mole. What is it? If at first you don't succeed, have some cake. I see. Does it work? Every time. Just a tiny taste. I got you a delicious cake, said the mole. Did you? Yes. Where is it? I ate it, said the mole. Oh, but I got you another. Did you? Where's that one? The same thing seems to have happened. What do you think is the biggest waste of time? Comparing yourself to others, said the mole. I wonder if there is a school of unlearning. Most of the old moles I know wish they had listened less to their fears and more to their dreams. What is that over there? It's the wild, said the mole. Don't fear it. Imagine how we would be if we were less afraid. Okay, this concludes part one of our story.